Hey guys, welcome to a brand new tutorial. I'm gonna be doing at least a couple of tutorials, and on this one I'm gonna be showing you how to install the AMD unofficial driver for AFMF2. It was released on the 1st and right now it's the 15th, but it's never too late, right? So I'm gonna leave a link to the unofficial driver. You just click download here, and then I'm gonna leave a link to the display driver uninstaller. This is basically to uninstall everything. You install the driver, the application and everything, so you won't get in any errors. So you're just gonna click download, and you just want to go way down and download. I think I'm actually gonna give you guys the site for everything. You can download the portable one if you want, and then the driver. I don't actually have the driver here, so I'm just gonna install it because I already uninstalled it and installed the official for some testing. So I'm gonna give you the link to here. You can download the installer or the portable one, depending if you want to install it or not. After that's done, what you want to do is first you want to uninstall every display driver that you have. So we're not gonna extract it here, we're just gonna extract it here. So you go here, you extract it to the desktop. Oops, you're gonna get this folder. You're gonna left click it, left click here. I already have the update. I don't understand why he's telling me. Just click no. I don't understand why he's giving me the update if I already have it, but whatever. Anyways, so here's your display. So what you want to do is you want to go to select the type, GPU. It'll automatically click it, AMD. If not, just go here and click it. So here's the thing about here. It recommends you to safe boot, but I don't want to go through all that trouble. I haven't gotten any problems installing it here without safe boot. But if you want to go into Windows and start Windows in safe boot, you could do that. I once did, and for some reason didn't want to uninstall everything with here, so I just always do this, and I haven't gotten any problems with it. So we're just gonna let it go there. This part usually doesn't take a long time, and if it does, I'll cut when it's done. It's gonna go, what is it? I always forget what's the screen on this device. Portrait. It's gonna change into portrait, and then if it bothers you a lot until you install the driver, just go here and change it to landscape flipped. But it's gonna do that anyways when you uninstall everything. Sometimes it just goes back to normal, but most of the time it just stays. As you can see here, it changed. So you, like I said, you can go here, right click, go to display, go here, and then turn it into landscape and keep the changes. Then your Legion Go is gonna restart. Just don't touch anything. Let it do what it does. I was gonna say let it do what it do. As you can see, restarted. We're just gonna go here, and we're gonna go back to downloads and chose the unofficial. We're gonna go to downloads again, and now we're gonna install the unofficial. It's important that you do this first before you install them. So this is like the folders and app and everything. It's not gonna install it. We're gonna do an extra step, but just go to your downloads and install the Adrenaline. It's not gonna install, it's gonna give you an error, but that's normal. So we're gonna close it. We're gonna go here, device manager. Then we're gonna go to, then we're gonna go to display, right click it, update drivers, browse my computer. Let me pick, I have a disk, browse, and then here we're gonna go, it's actually already did it for us, but oops, my camera. So what you wanna do is go to this PC, C drive, then you wanna go to the AMD, the software, your packages, drivers, your display, the only folder that's there, and then you want to click INF. Make sure it is this folder, this file, and then you want to click open. You want to click OK, And here is the best important part. You make sure you pick Radeon 780M graphics. Don't pick don't pick 780M. Pick 780M graphics. Then you go next. You press yes. And then you're just gonna let it install. It should not take a long time. Like I said, all this process is just running the uninstaller display, letting it restart, run the unofficial driver, go to your device manager display and just click everything I have a disk, 780M graphics drive, and then just let it do its thing. Then after this is done, which shouldn't take a long time at all, maybe I think it's like 2 minutes. Anyways, you guys can see here, you go down, close, right? Close here. Then you want to go into this PC. Then you want to go into your C drive again, AMD folder, Adrenaline driver. Don't click setup, go to packages again, go to drivers, go to display, go to this file, and here is very important that you pick this file, right? Whatever file you're gonna have down here, make sure it's the one that has, I don't know, I think it's the one that has the most space. Yeah, it's the one that has the most space. Crap. Well, yeah, the one that has the most space, this one. And you want to go way down here. CCC2 driver. I mean, not driver, install. So you want to install this. Basically, this is the Adrenaline application that you want to use so you can enable all your AMD goodies. And after this, then we are completely done. As you can see right now, it doesn't pop up the AMD app. Once this is installed, it will do. I will be making a next video on how to uninstall it, because I know I had a lot of problems installing the official one. A couple of ways that used to work but didn't, because AMD changes a lot of things. But the official installer video that I'm gonna release tomorrow, everything always works for me. As you can see, it's complete, so close it, and then you want to right click. You won't see it now, but you have to restart, so I'm just gonna go do that. Alright, so we're here, so we're gonna right click it. I'm gonna have to wait for the device to fully start. This is not my desktop. My desktop, you could already start running games before everything pops up. There you go. So click the AMD software if you wanna start setting things up. I always skip it. You can go to gaming, you can go to graphics, and you have your AMD fluid motion frames too, and your anti-lag. Always put your anti-lag on. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Sorry if the video is not in focus, but I wanted to get this video out since I don't have a tutorial on how to install them. And tomorrow I'll show you how to uninstall it and install the official ones with Adrenaline and everything. If you guys like the video, give a like, leave a comment. Any questions that you guys have that I know, or if I don't know it, I'll still answer it. And subscribe if you want to see more. See ya.